Learning about abortion by Kaylee Minarski. What is abortion? An abortion is a procedure to end a pregnancy. It uses medicine or surgery to remove the embryo or fetus and placenta from the uterus. The procedure is done by a licensed healthcare professional. What it is not is what is also called a spontaneous abortion, which is a miscarriage. According to Planned Parenthood, abortion is ending a pregnancy, planned or unplanned, either via a pill or a medical procedure. Abortion is currently not under legislation or legal authority in most states, except for some like Alabama that is currently acting new laws against abortion. So why abortion? Honestly, the reason why someone gets an abortion is no one else's concern. However, some possible reasons for why one might get an abortion is it was an unplanned pregnancy. The woman's situation is not ideal for her to bring a baby into the world. It was a rape or domestic violence situation, or the child is in danger medically, or the mother is in danger. So social psychology and abortion. As with many issues of social psychology, abortion is also influenced by social theories and ideas. First, social thinking. Social thinking generally influences whether or not someone supports or does not support abortion. The thinking behind abortion has become such a political debate that one person's thinking influences others' thinking. For example, you have people who are pro-choice and pro-life, and those decisions and that rhetoric of why they support either of those arguments would ultimately influence whether one feels like they can or cannot make that decision. The other issue that abortion brings out social psychology is social influence. Similar to social thinking, but this actually encourages or discourages someone who's thinking about getting an abortion. So you have people in high office, for example, the vice president who is very against abortion. His social influence may to be encouraging to discouraging somebody from getting an abortion because of how he articulates how he feels about the topic. The effects psychologically of an abortion. A social psychological framework suggested which views abortion as a stress experience. Responses to the experience will be the function of nature and the meaning of the pregnancy of the individual woman, her defensive and coping style, and how the environment surrounding the abortion experience. And not only is an abortion viewed as a stressor, there's so much negative connotation and political opinion surrounding it that no matter the decision, a woman is likely to feel that she made the wrong decision. So obviously, psychologically, it's going to have a really large impact on the individual. Reciprocal determinism. Abortion is the perfect example of reciprocal determinism. It states that the environment and the person both influence someone's decision. So for abortion, this couldn't be more true. You have people who believe in pro-life and pro-choice, and both of those sides of the argument help form someone's decision. So for my research study was a study done in the Netherlands, and it's focused on decision making and this decision that comes along with having an abortion. So the study was done in the Netherlands, where abortion is free and legal up to 22 weeks gestational age. The method was the study is based on quantitative data of the longitudinal cohort study, and they were basically the women were interviewed for a long time between 2010 and 2011. The results showed that women who had other issues, so mental disorders, substance abuse, they were likely to have made that decision. The decision was harder for them to make. So they had high levels of decision difficulty, were experiencing low to moderate. They had different demographics. And kind of what this shows is that women who had a hard time making the decision had other environmental factors. So if you're in a low socioeconomic status, you have other people influencing. So you may not be able to pay the bills, or somebody might say, hey, we can't afford a child right now. So ultimately, that decision is going to influence how the woman decides to carry on with the pregnancy or not, and vice versa. So in summary, social psychology is influential in many different social situations. In issues to include ones like abortion, things like social influence and social thinking sway women making or wanting to make this difficult decision.